What if one tablet could work for 36 hours instead of just a few hours? What if it could improve not only performance in bed, but also urinary problems in men? And what if taking it the wrong way could seriously harm your heart? Today, we're exposing the full truth about Cialis Tablet. Its uses, dosage, side effects, and who should never take it. Watch till the end. This could save your health. Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel explains medicines in simple language, their benefits, risks, and correct usage. Today's topic is Cialis Tablet, a very popular but often misused medicine. What is Cialis Tablet? Cialis contains the active ingredient Tadalafil. It belongs to a group of medicines called PDE5 inhibitors, which work by improving blood flow in specific parts of the body. Unlike many similar medicines, Cialis is famous for its long duration of action, up to 36 hours, which is why it's often called the weekend pill. Uses of Cialis Tablet. Cialis is prescribed for 3 main medical conditions. Erectile dysfunction, ED, helps men achieve and maintain a firm erection. Works only when there is sexual stimulation. Does not increase sexual desire. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, improves urinary symptoms like weak urine flow, frequent urination, difficulty starting urination, pulmonary arterial hypertension, PAH, in special higher dose formulations, lowers blood pressure in lung. How Cialis works. Cialis relaxes blood vessels by increasing a chemical called cGMP. This leads to better blood flow to the penis for ED, relaxation of prostate and bladder muscles for BPH, reduced lung artery pressure for PAH. Important. Cialis does not work instantly and is not an aphrodisiac. Dosage of Cialis. Dosage depends on your condition and doctor's advice. For erectile dysfunction, 10 milligrams before sexual activity can be increased to 20 milligrams if needed, or 2.5 to 5 milligrams once daily for regular use. For BPH, 5 milligrams once daily. Maximum dose, 20 milligrams per day. Never take more than 1 dose in 24 hours. Cialis can be taken with or without food. Common side effects. Most side effects are mild and temporary. Headache, back pain, muscle pain, flushing, indigestion, nasal congestion. Serious side effects. Rare but dangerous. Stop taking Cialis and seek medical help if you experience chest pain, sudden vision or hearing loss, severe dizziness or fainting, painful or prolonged erection over 4 hours. Contraindications? Who should not take Cialis? Do not take Cialis if you have severe heart disease, recent heart attack or stroke, low blood pressure, severe liver or kidney disease, known allergy to Tadalafil. Never combine Cialis with nitrates, used for chest pain, certain blood pressure medicines, recreational drugs like poppers. This combination can cause life-threatening blood pressure drop. Alcohol and Cialis. Small amounts may be okay. Heavy alcohol use can cause severe dizziness, fainting, poor erection quality. Important myths. Cialis is not a permanent cure. It does not increase testosterone. It is not safe for casual or recreational use. When to see a doctor. If you need Cialis regularly, have diabetes or heart disease, experience repeated side effects, are taking other medicines, always consult a doctor. Medical disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Cialis is a prescription medicine. Do not self-medicate. Always consult a qualified doctor before using it. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more trusted medicine explanations. Comment below if you want a video on Viagra versus Cialis comparison or natural alternatives for ED. Stay informed. Stay healthy.